phone, what the heck? Coming at my neck, tripping via text, disrespect. I don't fuck with that, can't put me in check. You the ex, calling for the sex. Want me cause I'm next, I'm the future, where the Percocets. I can see my ex calling. Oh no, now my next calling.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the magnetic eyelash strips that's been seen on TV, Facebook, Instagram, all that fun stuff. As of right now, I have on Ardell Demi Wispies, which are my everyday lashes. So I'm gonna take one of them off and attempt to put one of these bad boys on and do a comparison to see if I actually like them, if they're easy to put on, all that fun stuff. And these are by the brand Lash Magnetics, and I will leave the link below. Okay, so I took my right eyelash off. So this is what my eye looks like with no eyelashes. Basically, there's nothing there. And I took it off the packaging, so that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna take, get a mirror. And take the top right and bottom right out of the packaging. Okay, this is already confusing. I think I'm gonna use tweezers. This might help the process. I don't know. Or maybe not, because it sticks to the tweezers. That's interesting. Okay. I'm trying to put these on. Okay, let me put the top on first. Okay, this is gonna be a really short video. First of all, they're hard to put on, and I know it's like, oh, you didn't even put them on right, but there's no point because as you can see, they're only like half the length of my eye, so I need like 2 packs of these. So first of all, they're not even long enough. First, like this is only like half my eye, and you can barely even see them, so that sucks. Now they're stuck together. Literally, they stuck together. I don't know if you see that. And both the magnets is stuck on that one eyelash. So basically, they're broke now. What the fuck? They're broke. Literally broke. So basically, the top one doesn't have a... Y'all can't see this, but the top one doesn't have a magnetic strip anymore. Both the magnetic strips are on the bottom one. They got stuck together. So what the fuck am I supposed to do with that? Lash magnetic. Being disappointed is a fucking understatement. Like what the fuck? What the fuck? A for effort. I will be returning this. You know, as I'm about to put on my regular lashes, I was just looking at the packaging and look at this false advertisement ass shit. Like, it says 3 times fuller and... like, really? Really? Really, though? And then look at the girl at the back. Like, how it shows, like, the difference. Like, first of all... these lashes, even if it was like 10 of them, would not give you that. False advertisement to the max. Like, really, false advertisement. It's crazy. Like, all their claims, professional, high quality, lies. Easy 2-step application. No glue required. Extensions that last. That last and can be used over and over. Yeah, they played me. But anyways, that was pathetic. I do not recommend this brand. I'll just stick to my Ardell's and regular strip lashes and just use glue, because I'm very disappointed in this. I especially didn't expect it to break, but even in the packaging they looked a little short, so I was like, okay, maybe they can be like accent lashes or something like that. But really, I tried them one time, they stuck together and broke. Alright, what the fuck. Anyways, that was that review, and this is gonna be a short ass video. I hope you learned something. Hopefully you won't buy this brand or these lashes. Just try something different. Like, try something different. And leave some comments below, some other things I need to try or review. And until next time, bye.
Yeah, I can do anything. I can do many